So why bring your vehicle to Smail Collision Center? Well, let me tell you why. Smail Collision Center's state-of-the-art repair process is not like most body shops. Our unique system will return your vehicle back to you quicker than most repair facilities. We feature an assembly line process with individual departments for all stages of the repair. Smail is an ICAR Gold certified shop and provides ongoing training to properly repair today's advanced vehicles. We are also a Ford Aluminum certified shop. Our process begins with pre-scans to identify damage. Estimators prepare estimates and negotiate with insurance companies to authorize approvals for work needed. Next is X-ray and disassembly, a custom kitting and mirror matching process for parts, bodywork, and metal shop with certified technicians. Smail has a state-of-the-art 3D frame measuring for precise accuracy. Smail's new PPG Colors Moonwalk color matching system is the most advanced technology in the industry. Then auto glass, if needed, reassembly, post-scan, and test drive. Finally, a detail and quality check before returning vehicle to the customer. So we are conveniently located just off Route 30 in Greensburg, and to schedule your free estimate today, just visit smailcollisioncenter.com.